in your opinion, what is the most important factors that determine the success of a product? Customer value. It's like, well, it's two things. So it's customer value and business value. So it doesn't just help that you've got hundreds of thousands of really happy customers. It actually kind of matters in 99.999% of cases that you're actually making money off it as well. So the best definition of, or the definition I use for product, the best one I found is that a product is delivering customer value in line with business strategy while understanding technical and team constraints, while understanding the constraints. And so that's delivering customer value. So and that's ultimately the measure of a great product, is delivering a ton of customer value, but specifically doing that in line with business strategy or in a margin, Gibson Biddle says, in a margin enhancing way. So it's like in a way that actually makes money. It doesn't just help to add a ton of value without making some kind of money, while understanding the technical and team constraints. So what code bases, what team structures, what skill sets, all of those things are kind of the constraints that you have in order to deliver value to customers and make money. And so as the product grows and as you get slicker, those three things, hopefully you help, you overcome a lot of your constraints, you deliver maximum value to customers, and make money through what you're doing. So it's always a balance between those three things. But the biggest factor is normally customer value. If you can deliver a ton of customer value, extracting revenue or margin enhancing activities from that becomes significantly easier. There are a couple of edge cases like WhatsApp or whatever, where they were building for an acquisition and they were growing at 10 million users a month, and it didn't really matter that they made money. If you're growing that fast, the value is not in the money. The value is in the size of the user base, and ultimately who you're going to be able to sell that user base to. So, like I said, there is some fringe cases that's thing, but I can almost guarantee you that's not you.